Good day everyone! Today we discuss the Photoshop and its part. But before we start, we like to introduce ourselves. I'm Jellica G. Malyari.
I'm Dennis Dian de la Cruz.
I'm Jasper G. Molina.
I'm John Rex Nibanguyon.
I'm Arnold Jerome Pernia.
I'm Edwin Gallas.
What is Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop is the predominant photo editing and manipulation software on the market. Its uses range from the full-featured editing of large batches of photo to creating intricate digital paintings and drawings that mimic those done by hand.
And now, let's proceed to the parts of Adobe Photoshop CS6. Menu bar. A menu bar is a thin horizontal bar containing the labels of drop-down menus in operating system. GUI. It provides the user with a standard place in window to find majority of a program essential function, such as opening and closing files, editing files, and quitting the program. Next is the option bar. The option bar is located below the ribbon. It displays conditional tools dependent on the current tool or selected element. To move the option bar to the bottom of the Revit window, above the status bar, right-click the option bar and click Dock at bottom.
Next is a document tab is a graphical control element that allows multiple documents or panels to be contained within a single window using tabs as a navigational widget for switching between sets of documents. Next is a and the tools panel contains 77 tools that are used for object creations and editing, as well as color controls and the screen mode menu. If the tools panel is hidden, choose window tools to display it. To move the tools panel,
Document window is a section of the screen used to display the contents of a document file on a graphical user interface. GUI operating system below is an example of a document window in the Microsoft Word software word processor program. Zoom level, known as the number of zoom, is value representing the magnification of fractal every time that you double click the mouse to zoom in click. The mouse will forward or select the zoom in command from the location menu. Magnification of fractal is doubled.
Live Workspaces. Microsoft Office Live is a discontinued web-based service providing document sharing and website creations tools for consumers and small businesses. Office Live consisted of two services: Office Live Workspace, which was suspended by OneDrive, and Office Live Small Business.
The panel dock is layout panel that provides an easy docking of element to the left, right, top, bottom, or center of the panel. The dock side of an element is defined by the attached property dock panel dock.